the place of what today is port of Vukovar, the pier for the trade ships existed already in the 19th century, but the history of the modern port of Vukovar begins with 1st of January 1960, when the company called Luka Vukovar was founded by separation from shipping company Dunavski Lloyd Sisak. The company has changed its owner and legal state a number of times, and from the year 2002, when it separated from its former principal company Vupik, known agricultural industry in the region, it operates as independent company Luka Vukovar. Port of Vukovar is the only river port in the Republic of Croatia that is situated on the banks of the Danube and that guarantees availability for the navigation during the entire year for all kinds of vessels, including even some types of sea-going ships that often come from the ports from the Black Sea. Importance of inland navigation is in constant increase because of the reason of its positive economical and environmental effects. Therefore, it is very important that our country has quality gate for goods towards the countries of the West and East Europe. It should be stressed that the River Danube is proclaimed as Pan-European Transport Corridor 7, which is through the rivers Main and Rhine and the array of channels between them connected to the North Sea ports, and also the city of Vukovar is very close to the corridors 5C and 10 and has direct railway and road connection to them. Because of those reasons, it is no wonder there is rising interest of the companies from East and Central Croatia and also from the neighbor country Bosnia and Herzegovina for using the services of the port of Vukovar. Port of Vukovar was until 1991 a very important international port equipped with 6 portal cranes and annual transshipment volume of nearly 1.5 million tons, which made it the busiest inland port in the former Yugoslavia. After the war in that former country, which unfortunately raged especially in the city of Vukovar, most of the equipment and infrastructure was destroyed or heavily damaged. After the peaceful reintegration of this region in the legal and economical order of Croatia during 1997, the Ministry of Transport initiated a plan for reconstruction and revitalization of the port of Vukovar. Until today, more than 12 million euros was invested for that purpose. In the year 2006, Port of Vukovar made transshipment of approximately 9,100 tons of different types of cargo. Today, the Port of Vukovar is equipped with modern mobile crane with 63-ton capacity, suitable for transshipment of bulk and general cargo, with possibility of manipulation containers and other heavy cargo. 1 new crane, and furthermore, 2 portal cranes are installed. Number of forklift trucks of capacity between 2.5 and 20 tons, wheel loaders, diesel locomotive and tugboat are as well part of the equipment of the port. Covered warehouse of 3,000 square meters and 15,000 square meters of settled open area are also on disposal to service users. Currently installed capacities enable annual transshipment volume of approximately 1,200,000 and 1,500,000 tons, depending on types of cargo. It is mentioned that over the years, interest of the region for the river transportation rises, so it is expected that very soon that current area and capacities of the port of Vukovar will become the narrow throat for the development. Because of that reason, Republic of Croatia, through its Institution for the Administration and Development of the Vukovar Port Area, Port Authority Vukovar, made the master plan of development for the port with assessment of the needs of the economy in the hinterland and needs of purchasing of additional port equipment. Afterwards, feasibility study was made for particular terminals like container handling terminal and bulk cargo terminal. It is reasonable to expect that in incoming years, on a basis of mentioned studies, the port will enhance its total capacity and efficiency.